Introducing enLighten's enConnect system, a remarkable leap in construction lighting solutions. Ideal for temporary lighting in long tunnels, passageways, and scaffolds, it provides both normal and emergency illumination. With seamless fittings, our clients save on labour and installation costs. The enConnect system comes with mounting brackets for various surfaces and one-click power cables to easily connect fixtures. These cables are measured to ensure compliance. If it reaches the fitting, you have compliant lighting. Different connectors like inline and T connectors allow diverse lighting and signage options within the same electrical circuit. Select from our range of IP65 high bays, floodlights, exit signs, and emergency and non-emergency battens. All designed to meet construction lighting standards Australian Standard 3012. In emergencies, enConnect provides additional VCO battens in red, blue, and green. These help workers identify locations of first aid boxes, eye wash stations, and emergency assembly areas. Enhance your site safety with an easy-to-install, flexible, and robust solution for exit routes and work areas. Illuminate your construction site with enLighten's enConnect system, the cutting-edge, efficient, and reliable lighting solution.